I had a general discussion with Honorable CM. He said, you may allow the captain of ports to identify
लोकेशन
location who has agreed to shift on the other side.
तुमच्या कस्टडियन्सी तेका
Oh, yeah, but we have to, captain of port has to identify. It should not be a risk for the tourists who are going to come by the feeder boat. And we will see the feasibility in the coming week,
ओके
maybe in this week.
परमिशन दिले सीएमान इन्स्पेक्ट करपाक लोकेशन
Honorable CM said you go and inspect.
ओके
The captain of port will inspect. I will tell him to move the file. The next 2 days he should do the inspection and give us the report.
ओके फाल्यां परवा गेली तर त्यांचे एक्सटेन्शन दिलं ते सोंपता सो परत आनी एक्सटेन्शना वयतले ते
Extension is
Cabinet
totally different issue. Shifting is different issue.
एक्सटेन्शन आसतलें थिंगा फूल प्रोसेस
Extension will be given. They are part of the industry. Once government gives a nod and a decision and a license to operate casino in a vessel, till a new policy does not come and time is not given for that policy to come into reality, we cannot move them.
ओके शिफ्टिंग 1 or 2 केसीनो काय सगळे तुम्ही तुमच्या कस्टडियन्सी व्हरपा तयार आहा
This is not a question of I am taking in my constituency.
तुमच्या
The river is a river. It does not fall in any constituency. River Mandovi.
फीडर बोट नाही सगळे तुमच्या त्याच्यानं ऑपरेट जातले
No, it's see. Also, casinos bring business to the businessmen around Panjim. Also, some guest houses, hotels, shops, whether they are restaurants, whether they are cafes, whether they are shopping arcades, small shops and bigger shops. They also bring business to the capital. But as per the request of the Honorable MLA of Panjim, Babush Mansara, we are looking at the possibility of alternate location.
कितलो टाइम लागतो तुमका
So
कॅप्टन
now one ship has agreed to move. So we are going to see that place, identify the place, and we'll give him the place. Let him go.
ओके
So then remains the others. We'll see one at a time. But right now we are telling Captain of Ports to identify the location.
ओके
So your constituency is happy, means ready to take this casino.
See, our constituency is a tourism constituency. We are not taking any casino in our constituency. It will be in the river only.
इट विल बी वेलकम देयर
It will be in the river. It's not coming in my constituency inside. But if it is going to benefit our constituency, why it should not benefit? There are so many tourists who are already staying in our constituency. The river has to allow, means the water has to allow for a ship to remain over there.
स्टेबल
If there is big swelling and all, I don't think the ship can remain. So wherever it is possible,
केन्नाच्यान इन्स्पेक्शन स्टार्ट करतले आनी कितलो
I
टाइम
think in the next 2 or 3 days they will give me the start the inspection and give me the report.
रिपोर्ट बाय
Next week.
नेक्स्ट वीक
We are very quick.
ओके
One vessel has agreed to shift.